Hey everyone, welcome back! Today we're going to unveil our brand new warehouse ladder family. An inclined step ladder can be used in a warehouse or retail setting where employees need to reach items stored overhead safely. The ladder I've modeled can be used in any situation to reach just 10 inches to well over 10 feet by simply adjusting the number of steps. You can use this family to help plan and optimize warehouse layouts, or use it to spice up a rendering. If you like this model so far, be sure to drop a like and subscribe for more content like this. Let's take a closer look at how to use this family and what it might look like in the context of a project. I have here a simple warehouse project. To load in my ladder family, as always, I'm going to the Fetch app, clicking on the picture, and clicking to place in my project. Now I can choose the height of my ladder by entering the number of steps. Each step adds 10 inches to the top platform height, so you can do some quick math to decide how many steps you need. In this case, the top shelf of the pallet racks is just over 16 feet, so I will need 15 steps. I can select my safety options. I know that any ladder over 5 steps is required to have a handrail, so I'll leave that on. Maybe in this project I don't care about the toe board, so I'm going to remove it. The last option is to add an outrigger to the back casters. This option is only required when local code dictates a 3:1 ratio of the ladder's width and height, so I'm going to leave that off for now. I'm going to move this ladder into position within the warehouse. I can easily measure clearance and see how this will impact my space. And that's it for warehouse ladders. If this video was helpful, leave us a comment and let us know what you learned. And don't forget to get subscribed for future content and tutorials. Until next time.